Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to show or hide drawing toolbar in TradingView. This is one of those small platform tweaks that can dramatically improve how you work on your charts, especially if you're trying to stay focused and organized. If you've ever wanted more screen space for price action, or on the flip side, needed quick access to your trend lines, Fibonacci tools, or annotation features, this is a simple setting that makes a big difference. When you're analyzing markets, clutter can slow you down. At the same time, when you're actively marking up levels, drawing support and resistance, or mapping out trade ideas, fast access to tools matters. Being able to switch between those modes quickly keeps your workflow efficient. The drawing toolbar, sometimes called the drawings panel, is the vertical strip of tools that usually sits along the left side of your chart. When it's turned on, you get instant access to your drawing tools. When it's off, you have a cleaner, distraction-free workspace. Think of it as switching between analysis mode and execution mode. Some traders prefer keeping it visible at all times, while others hide it until they actually need to draw something. Let's walk through it together. Start by moving to the top left corner of your TradingView window and click your profile icon. This is the small circle that shows your avatar or initials. A menu will open, and in that menu, you'll see a toggle labeled Drawings Panel. That toggle is the switch that controls whether the drawing toolbar is visible on your chart. It's a quick setting, but it gives you control over how your workspace looks and feels. To show the toolbar, enable the toggle. As soon as you turn it on, you should see the drawing tools appear on the left edge of your chart. From there, you'll have immediate access to trend lines, horizontal lines, rectangles, Fibonacci retracements, text notes, and more. This is especially helpful when you're actively planning entries, exits, or mapping out key zones. To hide the toolbar, simply disable the toggle. The tools will disappear from the chart area, giving you a more open canvas. The change is instant, so you'll know right away that it worked. This is great when you're reviewing price action, backtesting visually, or recording content and want a cleaner look without unnecessary UI elements on screen. A couple of quick clarifications can help here. Turning the drawings panel on or off only affects the toolbar itself. It doesn't delete or change any drawings you've already placed on the chart. Your trend lines, notes, and shapes remain where they are. You're simply choosing whether the tool shelf is visible while you work, so you can confidently toggle it without worrying about losing your analysis. If you don't see the toggle at first, make sure you're on a chart screen and not in a section like the Ideas stream or a watch list pop-out. The setting only appears when you're inside an active chart layout. Also, interface updates can slightly change the wording or placement, but you'll still find the drawings panel toggle in that profile menu at the top left. Trading platforms evolve, but the core functionality stays consistent. If the toolbar doesn't appear or disappear after switching the toggle, try briefly switching to a different chart tab and back, or refresh your chart session. This preference typically sticks with your chart layout, so once you set it, TradingView will remember your choice the next time you open that layout. That means you don't have to keep adjusting it every time you log in. It's a handy way to move between a minimalist view when you're observing the market and a full tool set when you're ready to mark up your chart. Over time, small workflow improvements like this can make your charting experience smoother and more focused. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tip helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more TradingView tutorials and practical trading insights. Leave a comment below if you have any questions or if there's a specific charting feature you'd like me to cover next. I love hearing your ideas. And remember, small adjustments like showing or hiding your drawing toolbar can make a big difference in how efficiently you analyze the market. Keep experimenting, stay consistent, and happy trading.